if you own an iPhone and a Droid, you know the problem is that charging them. All right. And you're always disputing with people taking the cable and not bringing it back. Or not only that, you got the wrong cable you're taking. You just grab your cable and you go, and this is going to be an issue. So if you want to charge both systems, I'm going to give you a solution. This cable has the answer for it. First of all, you have a type A on one side, and then you got the lightning connection here, if you guys can see that, for your actual iPhone. But this side, you pull it up and it transforms to type C. So not only does it have the two types of connection, it has an actual, it rotates to the bottom and it becomes a type C. Same to this one. You have a type A and it transfers to type C for faster charging, because most of the units that are coming out faster, this is 65 watts. So you, in order to get that connection going, type C. This will reduce the rate of transfer if you do type A. Now, let's put it to use, all right? So we're going to plug one end. We're going to do the actual 65 watts on it. And I like that it has a little slider in here. Look at that. It has a little slider, so you don't have to worry about it. I love that. That's something that's very clever when they made this cable. It was something that, you know, people are going to have issues if it stops right here because you're going to hit the end. But look at that. One of the great things about it, look at the size of the cable. It is flat and nylon, strong, all right? So it's very flat, very thin. I like that. And they give you a pretty long extension. So let's put it to a test and see how it works. So we're going to plug one in first. All right, so here we have a charging station. We're going to go ahead and maximum. It says to hit max out 100 watts. So we're going to do the 65 watts max. All right, so we're going to turn it on right now. It is on. Now we're going to grab our Droid first of all. And of course, this is a lightning connection. So we're going to transfer this one into the actual type C. And you're going to see connecting the actual system. And I do have a case just to let you know. And there it is. Now, I don't know if you know about Droids, but it depends on the color. It's the faster transfer rate. So we're at 65 watts maximum transfer rate. Let's go ahead and plug in our iPhone. And this is an iPhone transferring back to the iPhone. It's an easy solution. It's just a click away, and that's pretty much it. Now, I have it off right now because I haven't turned it on for quite a while, but you're going to see the charging station come up. Let me turn it on. Oh, there it is. I see it right there. It is charging. So the phone is completely dead. I haven't charged it for quite a while because I haven't used it. But just to let you know how simple it is to actually transform any device to charge through this system. It's going to save you a lot of money to charge two different types of devices. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video.